Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my aloe vera hair oil, and these are the ingredients that I used. I purchased my aloe vera leaf from Whole Foods. I'm going to be inputting some grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, peppermint oil, a few drops of vitamin E, some castor oil, some olive oil, and some MSM powder. MSM is an organic sulfur supplement. One of the benefits of it is that it helps to extend the anagen growth phase of your hair. I'm going to be mixing everything up in my Ninja blender as per usual. The measurements that I'm going to utilize are a half teaspoon for the MSM powder, and I'm going to be doing a 1/8 cup for all of the oils, with the exception of the peppermint oil and the vitamin E oil. So I actually had already filmed me cutting up the aloe vera leaf, measuring out the oils, and putting in the peppermint and vitamin E droplets. But unfortunately, that portion of my footage somehow got deleted, so I just recorded the items that I used. When you see the video in the next clip, it will be from the section of where I'm adding in the MSM powder, and then we're going to be mixing everything together. If you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, please give me a thumbs up. It really lets me know that you like this kind of content. So as I said previously, here is the remaining footage that I had from the original recording. I'm just putting in the MSM powder, and I did 3 of the half teaspoons for that. With the vitamin E oil, I may have put in about 15 drops, and with the peppermint oil, the bottle that I had was already low and running out, so I just poured in the remainder of it. But it's really at your preference how potent you want the peppermint smell to be. If you just want a light tingle, then I would only do about 5 drops. If you want it a little bit more intense, then I would do about 15 to 20 drops. So here I am taking my measuring cup, and I took a stocking cap that I had laying around the house. You can do this with a pantyhose, stocking cap, whatever your strainer method is. And I'm just going to put it over the measuring cup. That way I can filter out any pieces that weren't blended very well during the mixing process. And as you can see here, it kind of has a frothy consistency to it, but you just want to pull down on your stocking cap and squeeze out the oil. I poured everything into my applicator bottle, which I got from Amazon. It was a 3-pack for like $7. They do hold about 6 ounces per bottle. However, I would suggest getting some bottles that have a cap to come with them also. That way, when you store this product in your refrigerator, you don't have to worry about the air mixing with your aloe vera and turning it brown. You can use this hair oil as a moisturizer, as a leave-in conditioner. I really like using it as a leave-in conditioner, and especially after I have freshly washed my hair, it really helps my curls to pop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.